Hello, and welcome to Simple English Daily.
Today, we are going to learn daily routine vocabulary.
Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin.
Simple English Daily, hey! Come and learn a little every day.
Wake up. Wake up.
I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. She wakes up early on weekdays.
Get up. Get up.
He gets up as soon as his alarm rings. I don't like to get up in the cold weather.
Stretch. Stretch.
She stretches her arms and legs every morning. It feels good to stretch after sleeping.
Brush teeth. Brush teeth.
You should brush your teeth before going to bed.
Wash face. Wash face.
He washes his face with cold water every morning. I always wash my face before I go to sleep.
Take a shower. Take a shower.
She takes a shower every morning before work. I like to take a shower after exercising.
Get dressed. Get dressed.
I get dressed quickly because I am always in a hurry. The children get dressed by themselves now.
Comb hair. Comb hair.
He combs his hair in front of the mirror. She combs her hair neatly before going to school.
Make breakfast. Make breakfast.
My mother makes breakfast for the whole family. I make breakfast and eat it at the kitchen table.
Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast.
We eat breakfast together every morning. It is important to eat breakfast before starting your day.
Drink coffee. Drink coffee.
He drinks coffee before he goes to work. I drink coffee every morning to help me wake up.
Pack a bag. Pack a bag.
She packs her bag the night before school. I pack my bag with everything I need for work.
Leave home. Leave home.
He leaves home at 8 o'clock every day. I leave home early to avoid traffic.
Commute. Commute.
She commutes to work by bus every day. My commute takes about 30 minutes.
Arrive. Arrive.
I arrive at the office at 9 in the morning. He arrives at school before the bell rings.
Start work. Start work.
She starts work at 9 o'clock sharp. I start work after I check my emails.
Take a break. Take a break.
We take a break at 11 o'clock in the morning. It is important to take a break and rest your eyes.
Have lunch. Have lunch.
I have lunch at the office with my colleagues. She has lunch at 1 o'clock every afternoon.
Check emails. Check emails.
He checks his emails first thing every morning. I check my emails during my lunch break.
Attend a meeting. Attend a meeting.
She attends a team meeting every Monday morning. I attended a long meeting today at work.
Finish work. Finish work.
He finishes work at 5 o'clock in the evening. I always feel happy when I finish work on Friday.
Go home. Go home.
She goes home by train every evening. I go home and immediately change my clothes.
Cook dinner. Cook dinner.
He cooks dinner for his family every night. I like to cook dinner and try new recipes.
Set the table. Set the table.
She sets the table with plates, forks, and spoons.
Eat dinner. Eat dinner.
We eat dinner together as a family every evening. He eats dinner at 7 o'clock at night.
Do the dishes. Do the dishes.
She does the dishes after every meal. I do the dishes while he dries them.
Watch TV. Watch TV.
He watches TV for 1 hour after dinner. We watch TV together before going to bed.
Read a book. Read a book.
She reads a book every night before sleeping. I like to read a book when I want to relax.
Take a walk. Take a walk.
He takes a walk in the park every evening. I take a walk after dinner to get some fresh air.
Exercise. Exercise.
She exercises for 30 minutes every morning. It is good to exercise regularly to stay healthy.
Feed the dog. Feed the dog.
I feed the dog in the morning and evening. He never forgets to feed the dog before going to work.
Take out the trash. Take out the trash.
She takes out the trash every Monday morning. I take out the trash before I go to sleep.
Do laundry. Do laundry.
I do laundry twice a week. She does the laundry and hangs the clothes outside.
Fold clothes. Fold clothes.
I fold clothes. He folds his clothes and puts them in the cupboard. I fold the clothes while watching television.
Water the plants. Water the plants.
She waters the plants every morning before work. I water the plants in the evening when it is cool.
Call a friend. Call a friend.
He calls a friend every Sunday afternoon. I call a friend when I need to talk to someone.
Take a nap. Take a nap.
She takes a short nap after lunch. I take a nap on the weekend to rest.
Have a snack. Have a snack.
He has a snack in the afternoon when he is hungry. I have a snack of fruit and nuts after school.
Lock the door. Lock the door.
She always locks the door before leaving the house. I lock the door and check it twice every night. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. He turns off the lights before going to bed. I turn off the lights in every room to save electricity.
Set the alarm. Set the alarm.
She sets the alarm for 6:30 every night. I always set the alarm so I don't wake up late.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
He goes to bed at 10 o'clock every night. The children go to bed early on school nights.
Fall asleep. Fall asleep.
She falls asleep very quickly every night. I fall asleep as soon as I close my eyes. Great job! You have learned 43 daily routine words today.
Practice these words every day, and your English will improve.
Thank you for watching Simple English Daily. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video.
Welcome back, it's a brand new day. Hey! Learn a little English, smile along the way. One small step every single day. Simple English Daily. Let's learn and play.